Welcome everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Elite Boss.
And Devine.
And we're here tonight to do a mukbang. So, we're here in Fort Lauderdale. We left Key West for the weekend just to come and enjoy ourselves and just have a together moment, And we've been on the road all day, and Devine said that, you know what, we should do a mukbang. She has been pressing me to do a mukbang, and I'm finally gonna do it. I agreed to do it, and we're just going to dive right into this.
Okay guys, so I had ordered KFC with Uber Eats. After like 20 minutes they canceled the order. They didn't say why. So our second resort was Popeyes. No complaints because I absolutely love Popeyes. So let's just get right into this. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Whew. So we got some chicken. Can you see that?
Drumsticks.
What's in this one, babe?
Alright, so we have 4 biscuits here.
We have a sandwich.
No. Mikhail has a sandwich. This is mine.
Babe, it's 2 of them.
Oh, I thought it was 1. Alright. So
You wanna see on ingredient?
Alright, so
we have
sandwich.
2 sandwich.
2 sandwiches. Look.
This is the fries. You like it? This is fries again. And then here we have the coleslaw. So, me hungry and I go eat. How y'all guys doing? How was your day? How's the weekend going so far? Comment below, let me know. Huh?
You never give us an extra plate.
I requested it, but they didn't send it. So, yeah, comment below. Let me know how you're doing. This is good, guys.
Alright, so I'm just gonna empty all the fries here. They didn't give us any extra plates, so I'm just gonna have to do that for the fries. Can you just discard off this one, please? Alright.
This is really good.
Let me taste their coleslaw. Beautiful, I love it.
Oh my God, more.
Let me eat one of them drumsticks before Davin. Finish them off, I'm gonna have none.
Baby, how much food in there? I just want to go through.
But remember saying enough breast. So you're gonna target these and then we're not gonna have any.
Good God, this knife. How can people not love Popeyes? Tell me. How?
The only reason why I love Popeyes, because it's the only thing that comes close to Jamaican KFC. I mean, it's not as good as Jamaican KFC, but it's the only thing that gives me that feeling like I'm eating at a fast food restaurant. That's why I love it.
This could fall from there. My God.
What is something?
They didn't give me utensils. No.
No onion, no ketchup, no.
Sauce, no. And I requested all of these. But food have to eat same way.
I think I can eat off all this.
We can try.
Yes, juice. I need juice.
Guys,
We need something to
this
dispose
is
of.
nice. Here's the bag.
And I have napkins. So everyone. What, anything we grab at me, I drink.
No, but you said you wanted Coke. So how is it anything
Right,
now?
but whether I want Coke or whatever, if I say Coke, I drink Coke, and I say Sprite, I drink Sprite.
No, you're too greedy. Yes, guys, please do not forget to hit that subscription button and turn on your post notifications. So once we have a new video drop, you'll get it right away.
Also, guys, please remember to share our videos. Tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell a friend again. To support the channel. Subscribe. It's kind of salt.
No, it's not.
You sure?
So God more. You know, I take time to eat. I'm hungry.
Guys, the food nicer when I do a combination of different things. Biscuit, all at the same time. Biscuit, fries, coleslaw, chicken. Put all that in your mouth. No, you don't do that.
So God know. I eat go. So babes, after check out the next bag. Look how much breast in there.
So the breast of me eat at a later date.
Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm gonna drink Sprite. I love Sprite vibe.
There's not drink too much and juice enough because your belly are full if you don't eat all of this.
I don't want to touch a sandwich, you know. I want to touch a sandwich. My food can nice, sir. No, sir.
My family package, what is this?
I just order a piece and then I get this pepper.
You do a good job.
Oh, cool. This was actually a family packet. This one here. The meat, the biscuit, and coleslaw. And I order everything else separately. Babe, oh, you stop and you want to finish that one.
Babes, you know that's how I eat the legs. Me just eat.
May I go finish it for him today? Give me the chicken. May I go finish it? Now I go to this.
You might eat leg. But only eat after meat, the fleshy part. Them two places, I don't fool around them.
Who else when them a eat them chicken, them have to eat off everything. And when meat I go, no.
See, you're born up and say, we love that.
No, play with it.
Woo! No, this is what you call the monster, look.
What a massive piece of chicken.
Hey. Who think them gonna eat of this? Look at this. My God. It's a beast. Right? Me are the beast slayer.
It's nice, Bob.
You try do, man. You know what, something for wet here, no?
It good like that. Good like that for me. Some people don't eat ketchup in it. Even though you have the sauce option.
That's some people, it's me.
Oh my God, it's too me.
Remember,
Thank you, Papa.
Cram is so back to the sugar, buy so much food.
Food I could eat.
Belly of the full room.
In both. I don't know, trust the sandwich yet.
Mm. Yeah, more fries?
Yeah.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Everlasting food this month. Mm-mm.
Gaga.
Oh.
The boss papa.
The acid juice are full right there.
Stop drinking. Coleslaw bar.
Dad.
Mm.
Alright. People. Now, when me I eat, kinda eat different. So me as a man we just dive into the food and eat a portion of things, not finishing the food, and then all of a sudden we just stop. Take a 2 minute, 3 minute, and then we just dive back in. That's it. Like your stomach do its thing and just break down the food little by little before me. You see me I say, cause we don't want to pass up and pass up back everything. You see me I say?
Me have it eat straight.
So
This is nice.
Back on the beast.
Mm-mm. My God. You all want to taste this. This is good.
3 pieces of meat left. Probably if I make them say it one next time.
That is good. My God.
I'm sure the meat are too big, man.
Better than get big meat, more little meat. Not too good.
Yeah, about quarter pound of meat that now.
It better have big, more we get one little piece.
But it tastes like lime in this one.
Probably.
Well,
I remember next time,
or maybe the
share
lemon.
a miss instead of Sprite.
Or maybe the lemon Sprite. You know you have the ginger one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Them fries taste good though.
Everything.
I have a post with Tom here. From 1, 2, 3. Come.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Alright. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Thumbnail! We gotta get a thumbnail, guys.
Should have ordered so much food. Look. We're gonna start with the sandwiches then, eh? We have 2 more biscuit left. We have only for coleslaw left. 1 more something of fries left. 3 pieces of meat left.
They're gonna get eaten at some point in time.
Some point in time, but not at this time. My family said never devour this a beast, I don't know. Too big.
This is so good, guys.
Yeah, it tastes good, real good.
See?
Ah,
We have to eat off everything. We can't make the meat waste.
belly.
That's good.
My belly full.
Where is your now taco sandwich?
Let me talk about this sandwich. I swear. I
I
mean, we
feel
can
ya.
try, but alright, you know what? Go tackle your sandwich.
Babe, let's tackle your sandwich.
No, tackle your sandwich. May I try to eat?
No, me save my sandwich, we tackle your sandwich.
Alright, sound fair enough.
Okay.
So save your sandwich. We tackle my sandwich, and then whenever your sandwich we go eat, I'm a beer that eat food.
I am mustache too.
Whenever your sandwich ready to be eaten,
How me I go attack this now?
I might want that now.
That's the agreement to eat yours.
And then that one becomes mine.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
No, baby.
That one becomes mine.
Mm-hmm.
You know, take more, no more.
Okay, guys, we're full.
Can't eat it.
We're full.
It's too much food.
We are full.
Too much. But differently still, the Popeyes tasted really good. It's always a pleasure whenever we purchase Popeyes and eat. Always tastes good. Never let us down. Unless it's like, you know, they're not send something like the condiments and all of that. But other than
Exactly.
that, Popeye is always good. Now with KFC is more interesting. That store is more interesting because depending on where you go, Full out in Miami or wherever in the US, all them things different.
You know, taste like the Jamaican
Yeah, I
KFC.
don't taste like Jamaican KFC.
The only one me eat are the original. And it,
Right, yeah. Next thing too, you can't really venture out and try other things. You know, it's always stick to the original. The barbecue, the spicy, all them.
I'm supposed to grill, not
Or
barbecue.
grilled, yeah, none of the spicy, I think, or whatever. Them the spicy? Yeah, man, the one with the guy, something they do spicy. Or
Then the
crispy.
barbecue, then do crispy, something like something, I don't know.
Well, yeah. So the typical.
Then not have the Jamaican barbecue, then
Yeah.
have grill or something like so.
Yeah, which is
Original
that now work. So
and the crispy one, whatever.
whenever we purchase it, it's like we are wait to see what we are get and see. Alright, cause we see what we go on. Wherever we go, we say alright, we purchase it, cause we have to expect the unexpected with them, because everything is just different with them. But Popeyes, no matter where you go, just one formula, one niceness and everything straight across the board. So Popeyes is always nice. David, yeah, eat man.
I know my belly full. I see you know. My belly full.
Yeah, you all eat.
I'm telling you, I'm hungry.
How many I start chatting, I start eat.
Tell me if you do pause the eating till I don't talk.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so I guess that's it, people. Because me, for 1 minute, think I will do no more.
I can't go no further, you know.
When I sit down in front of the camera and put on a show and go and make an eat.
I
some
wish
food.
I could just open up my belly, you know. Make it look longer.
People, Bubbles belly long.
It's
Yeah.
not true. It's not true.
Or even if it's short, it only short for a couple minutes. Over a period of time, it's a long belly. So, yeah.
Damn, okay.
Liking food, you know, here.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our video. For all our regular supporters, we love you guys so much. To our new supporters, welcome to our channel. please do not forget to share our videos, like and comment. Let us know that you're there, you're watching. Talk to us. We love you all. And to our potential subscribers, come on over.
Come on, bring
what
them
you waiting for?
Bring them.
Hit that subscription button.
Peace out. Please remember to subscribe. Don't forget, subscribe. People viewing the videos but not subscribing, we appreciate it, but we still want to subscribe, So
subscribe.
tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a friend again to subscribe. Peace out. Elite Boss. Bubbles.
See you in our next video. Bye.